Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be another Fashion Nova try-on haul. This one is my favorite yet. I say this every time because they just keep getting better and better, but I have some really cute stuff to show you guys today. All of it is like fall and winter inspired. I live in LA, so just bear that in mind. Like some of these skirts and things are a little bit short or like not exactly like super weather appropriate if you live on like the East Coast. I'm actually going back to visit my mom for Christmas in a week, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna be there like all of December, so I'm definitely gonna be bringing some of these pieces to wear with tights if I'm going somewhere indoors where I don't like need to be outside for any period of time, because not everything's weather appropriate if you live in the cold. But anyways, who cares? Everything's very cute. It's perfect for LA, perfect to get you in like the holiday spirit and to feel like cute and wintry. So without further ado, I think I got 1,000 leather skirts this time around, but they're all different, so it's fine. But the first thing I want to show you guys is this insane sweater. I am obsessed with it. I want you guys to be able to see like this texture of it. This is my favorite thing I've ever worn. Like this feels so high quality. Back up a little bit so you guys can see, but like it's so big and cozy. I'm obsessed with this. I want to wear this with one of the little skirts and like a pair of tights and cute boots. I just love this so much. It would honestly just be cute with leggings, like super casual, and like some Uggs, or it would be good with like a skirt, pair of pants, and some cute boots. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I think this is so nice. The quality of this is insane. Like, I'm not even just saying that. This quality is so good. This feels like I bought it at like Nordstrom or something. Like, this feels really nice. Next, I got this really cool top. All these like button downs and things, and a lot of the skirts are wrinkled because I just took them out of the box. I haven't worn anything yet. So that being said, I got this really cool top. It's just a simple black button down. I actually got it in white, but I don't know where I put that. But I got it in 2 colors because I really loved it. And then it has this like detailing in the front that kind of looks like when you get your ears pierced with that bar. But I thought it looked really sick, and I could wear it with like some low-rise jeans or something. I'm also a huge moron because I unbuckled the front thingies, and you didn't need to. There's a zipper on the side. Holy crap, I'm such an idiot. Wait, this is so convenient. If you buy this top, don't unbutton the thingies because it makes it really annoying to put back on, and it kind of loosens like the hole. That's what she said. But it does, and it makes it like annoying, and it kind of doesn't stay, especially if you have a chest. So yeah, there's a zipper on the side, FYI. Next, I got another white button down. I got, like I said, that black top in white as well. And then I got a really simple just white button down. I have a lot of white button downs, like menswear kind of shirts, but they're all very oversized. I wanted one that was more tailored so that way I could throw it on. This one also is thin, which I love, and I wanted it to be thin and more fitted just so that way I could throw it on under things, like for example this sweater vest. I have quite a few sweater vests and I really love them, but all of my white like button down shirts are just either too loose, too baggy, too thick even, and like that crisp actual menswear material to really wear under something like this, because it just doesn't look right. It makes me look boxy and just not flattering. So I thought this would be perfect. Then I also got this cute little top. It has this collar that's attached to it, and I thought it'd be cute to wear with some of these skirts. It's like a little brown crop top, and I just thought it was adorable. I feel like this will be good with any little like skirts, high-waisted pants, giving that like, I don't know, schoolgirl vibe, kind of Blair Waldorf. Then I got this skirt. It's actually a skort. A lot of these Fashion Nova skirts look really short because they're skorts, and I got 2 of them. I got a brown one and a black one. This one is actually one of my favorite fits, but it's wrinkled, so I couldn't really show you guys the full effect, but I tried on the brown one. I really like how it looks and how it fits. It's really comfortable and it looks good, and I tried on all of those skirts with this little white simple, can't really tell because it's washing out, but it's just a white basic turtleneck like crop thing, which I think is really cute, and it's something that you can wear with literally everything. I wore it with every single piece that I tried on. I got a ton more leather skirts. This one is one of my favorites. I feel like you could dress this up or down. I would wear this with like chunky boots and a band tee, or like a sweater or something and a pair of cute boots. but I also would pair this with a little like lingerie kind of bustier top, and a pair of pointy toe pumps would be really cute, or like a really cute bodysuit or something, or even just a chunky knit sweater I think would be really cute with this skirt as well. This skirt I feel like is really great quality. It looks really expensive in my opinion, and it fits really nice, fits like a glove, so I'm obsessed with this one. I think it is so cute. It's also one of my absolute faves. That one was not a skirt, that one was a real skirt. This one, however, is a skirt. This one's quite short, so when you look at it you're like, holy crap, that girl's whole everything is about to be out, but it's not, because it has shorts underneath, which I love. So that makes it like really easy, especially for girls who are tall like me, who want to wear mini skirts, but it's just like they're always so short, and if I get it a size up then it's just baggy. So you want it to be tight, but you also don't want it to completely show your whole butt. And especially like I have really wide hips, so for me like everything looks extremely short already, so mini skirts are just not always the move. The last skirt was a really good length. This one I think is obviously extremely short, and if it was a real skirt I don't know if I would wear it out, but because it's a skirt you can do it. It has these really super cute buttons. I love this slit. I feel like it's super flattering. It's like a really sexy look. This is definitely a going out skirt. It's not something you want to wear during the daytime in my personal opinion. I mean, you do you, but I love that one. And then lastly, for leather skirts, I got this one, which is a pleated leather skirt. Again, it's wrinkled because it was in the box, but this one I think you could wear during the day. If you put on a pair of tights, a pair of like chunky, like lower heeled boots, and even a sweater like this, you could totally get away with wearing this one during the day. This one's also a little bit longer than the other ones. It's not as tight. It's not as like sexy nighttime vibe. You could definitely like make it more nighttime and throw on like a cute little tank top, or like a little bodysuit, or like something like that with a pair of heels, and you could totally make this nighttime. But if you wanted to wear this leather one during the day, I think it's like still daytime appropriate. Kind of like a rocker chic vibe, which I really like. There's literally the house across from me, there's a man on the roof. Like, we're like eye level. That's really odd. I know they're like working on something because I have a restaurant right there. This is so irrelevant, but all of a sudden I look over and I'm like, oh, there's a man right there. Hello. Hi, sir. How you doing? Anyways, yeah. I forgot. I lost my train of thought, but love this skirt. Super cute. Rocker chic vibe. This is the top I was talking about that I tried on with the tight leather skirt. It's actually part of like a lingerie set. If you guys haven't shopped Fashion Nova's lingerie section, you're sleeping on it. You can wear some of that stuff, like the bodysuits and like these little like tiny tops. You can wear them as shirts. As long as you have like a more, I would say more covered like bottom. It's not see-through, like this part is completely still opaque, so like you can wear this out. I love to wear bustiers and like little bralettes as tops. I think it's cute. I feel like lingerie at like slip dresses and things like that, worn as clothes, is a thing. Like it's very like, kind of Carrie Bradshaw-esque. Not this particular piece, but like a cute silk slip dress. But they have a lot of cute lingerie that you could wear as lingerie, but you also can wear it out. Then I also got two berets. I don't know why. I was in the very French mood. Everyone's been going to Paris. I'm really jealous. That's why, to be honest. Not I don't know why. That's why. I really want to go to Paris. It's like a dream of mine. I will be wearing these when I go home to Massachusetts because I don't care if I look ridiculous. They are cute, and I feel like with an understated outfit, like I would wear these with like jeans and a sweater, you know. I'm not gonna like put on like thigh-high socks and like wear a beret. Well, actually I might, but anyways, moving on. I have two things left. My battery's flashing. Crap. This skirt, it's a skirt, another skirt. This is so freaking cute. The material is so good. It's so thick. I love the button detailing, and again, it's super short, so I would wear this with tights, but I love that it's a shorts in the back. I feel like this paired with a cute little turtleneck or a little sweater with some tights and some chunky boots would just be so cute, and like a little coat thrown over, I feel like would be just adorable, and I can't wait to wear these during the holiday season. I just really love that they're doing a lot of skorts lately. The man on the roof is really distracting me. I'm so sorry if I keep looking over there, but like seriously, dude, he's really, there's like two of them now. They don't see me, but I see them. Either maybe they do see me, but they're playing coy. But anyways, also I forgot to mention I got everything in a size medium, literally everything. So, and I'm 5'11", if you guys want to know. So I do find some things in Fashion Nova run small, So if you're taller or you have wider hips, maybe size up, or if you're curvier, you know. But I'm typically a size medium, so I always order a size medium. And some things run a little bit tight, but like sometimes they stretch out. So yeah, everything was a size medium, but I love these. I love the print. I love the colors. This looks really nice. This looks like something you can get at Aritzia. And I'm telling you, the material is so thick. Like, this is a winter material. You could wear this with thick tights and a pair of boots and throw on like a really long, like thick coat over it. And I feel like you could wear that on the East Coast. Some of y'all might beg to differ, but I think you could. And lastly, this pair of pants that I'm freaking obsessed with. These are so cute, so flattering. I really, really love them. Again, I would wear these with like a sweater and a pair of chunky boots, or a really cute like tight cropped band tee would be cute with these, like a little graphic tee, for a different kind of vibe. That's more like a little Avril Lavigne vibe, but yeah, I can go 0 to Avril Lavigne real fucking quick around here. I really like these pants. I think they are like a really flattering material, and they don't look stretchy and cheap, but they are stretchy. So like when you put them on, they look like they're thick trouser pants, and they are like a thick material. They're not like thin and cheap, but they're stretchy enough that they like make your butt look good, and they fit to your waist really nicely, and they don't give you that like unflattering trouser look where they like bunch or anything. Like, they just look really good. I'm obsessed with these. I really, really like these. I think they're such a good find. And again, for the holiday season, like, I wish I found these for freaking Thanksgiving. Like, these would have been such a great like stretchy pant to wear for Thanksgiving. Super comfy. They're not like too high rise. They're like regular rise, I would say. They're not extremely low, but they're just like right in the middle. Love those. Obsessed. So yeah, I honestly am obsessed with everything I got. I feel like I got so much good stuff, and I am so excited to wear everything. I genuinely will be wearing all this stuff when I go back home to Massachusetts. If you guys want to shop Fashion Nova, go look in the description below. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.